When the next set that is due on Sunday at midnight is all about becoming a successful online student and how you can regulate your learning. So it's time to learn about the strategies that can help you succeed in all of your courses. As we know, success takes a combination of effort, focus, determination, and planning. So regardless of where or what you're learning, succeeding as a student must be a personal goal. We know that successful students, who you all can be, regulate their learning. They regulate their understanding of their learning, and they regulate their motivation toward learning. These three elements of regulating your learning can be thought of as strategies to complete tasks, evaluation of the strategies, and motivation. So, for example, here we have the strategies to complete tasks. These are examples. For example, we know that setting goals, it's important when we set goals that they're realistic and achievable. So instead of saying, I will work on my English essay sometime this week, I'll just work on it on the day it's due. A good goal setting would be something like, I will work on my English essay for 2 hours today at 2 p.m. Notice how achievable and realistic that is. And by saying a specific time and how long, then we know clearly what we need to do. And then we will adding something like, and I'll know I'm ready for a break when I've completed a rough outline and the first draft. Another thing we want to make sure is that we have if we're doing note taking procedures. So, a good example of note taking would be, I'm going to write the important facts, and then next to each fact, I write what that means to me and how it's related to other parts of the reading. A poor note taking would be, I just write down important facts. So we want to make sure that we understand what that fact means to us and how it's related to the whole of the reading or to the other parts of the reading. And then when we're looking at organization of our classwork from different courses, we want to make sure that we say something like, I created a folder for each course. All of the tasks that I complete, my notes and my study guides are organized into module folders into each course folder. So notice how it's clear. There's a strategy there, there's an evaluation, and there's motivation. A poor organization would be, I just place all my course tasks and notes on my desktop. I'll just put them in a folder at the end of the semester. We notice how that might be a little bit more confusing and things can get lost. So hopefully these strategies will help you in the next few tasks that I have you doing. You're going to be organizing your Google Drive. You're going to look at your Canvas calendar. You're going to look at Google Calendar. I want to see how we can merge all of those together. And then the very last thing that you're going to be asked to do is you will be asked to evaluate which of these methods works best for you. So again, in this class, you always want to start at modules. So you're here, right? Because we've already done this part. So you're looking at due by Sunday. You want to go through each of these. And by going through each of them, it'll give you a little check mark. All right. Have fun getting organized.